Hello children, welcome back. Today again we are here with a Scratch project. Today will be trying to do two Scratch projects here. First one is the event-based programming and the next is we are going to try out the forever block. So let's start with the event-based programming first. So for the event-based programming children, here we will be using the event button and we will be putting an event, that is when any key is pressed. Here spacebar is given. I'll be changing it to the up arrow. So here in this project, as soon as it will run, first we have to press up arrow and then only this will run. Since it is an event based, so here the event decided is the up arrow, the clicking of up arrow. Okay. After this we will go to the motion block and there we will set the rotation style. Okay. So here I am going to the rotation style. I am going to choose this block and keep it here. After this, again we will be choosing from the motion block only point in direction. Okay, I am going to keep the point in direction 0 0. Okay, after this what we are going to do is we are going to move this sprite 10 steps forward. Okay, and after moving it 10 steps forward, we will be getting the next costume. So this is the programming for the event based programming. Alright, now let's run. Since I am running it, but unless I click on the up arrow, it will not move. See, it is moving up. Okay, this is how the event based programming works. Till I am pressing the up arrow, it is moving only. Okay, so this is how we do the programming for event based programming. Now children, we will be discussing about the forever block. I am going to replace this project and now we will be doing the forever block. So forever block, we are going to discuss the Newton's law of gravity. That is why I here need a different sprite first and a different background. So I have chosen a sprite, this one, and I am going to choose a backdrop also. So I will be choosing the colorful city here as the backdrop. Now I even require, since the Newton's third law of motion explains about how the apple falls from the tree, so I will be getting an apple here and also a tree. Okay, so I am going to choose it from the sprite, the tree also. So since the size of the tree is very small, I'll just make it a little bigger from here. Okay, so now it has become a little bigger and now it appears like a tree and an apple, and this girl is now going to explain the Newton's law of gravity, for which we need to write the script now. Okay, for which again to start we'll go to the event block and we'll place the hat block first foremost, and since we are going to use the forever block here, we'll be getting it from the control block and we'll be placing the forever block here like this. After this I'll go to the look block and I'll select the next costume, because that girl will be moving her hands too, and then I will be waiting for 1 second, and which I will get from the control block. After this she has to say something which comes under look button. So now she is going to say Newton's law of gravity. So this is what I am going to type here. Newton's law of gravity. This is what she is going to say. That is why this is what we are going to type it here. Now let's see how is it running. Okay, yes, now she is speaking. Now we also have to show that the apple is falling. So now we'll be writing the script for apple also. Again, we'll be starting with the event block, the hat block here first foremost. And since we are going to use the forever block, so we are going to use the forever block here. We are going to attach it here. Then it is going to show, the apple will be shown. So that we will be getting from the look block. Here show is there. Okay. So apple will be shown, but it will glide, it will drop, right? So glide option is in the motion block. From here we are going to take this glide option, and then we are going to wait. We are going to wait, and that is why here we are going to use the control block, from where we can get the wait for 1 second. Then again it will hide. When it will go up, it will hide, right? So it will come in looks block. Here hide is there, so we'll select this and put it here, and again it will glide. So gliding is there in the motion block, which I'm going to place it here. See children, here we have to place certain numbers. Why? Because this area, this coding area is of dimension in the axis, x-axis and y-axis, right? And it ranges from minus 240, 180 to 240, 180, right? So we have to give the entries in between this only. For example, I am taking x-axis as minus 5 and y-axis as minus 162. Then when it will drop down, I am taking it minus 13 and this one as 41. Okay. Now again I am going to take this. See, this is how an apple is falling and the girl is speaking Newton's law of gravity. Since forever block is used, it will only stop when I will click on this stop button. And again, if I'm going to go, then this programming will start running for forever until unless this stop button is done. So today we have discussed two conditional programmings. One is event, until unless that key was pressed, the program didn't run. And now here, until it is running, until unless I will press the stop button. I hope children it is very much clear to you, and you will also try few more scratch projects using these programming and these blocks. All the best to you. Thank you and have a good day.